Well, boys, the Scar EVLs are out. And over here, I got me an empty box, ready for some Sundown Xv2s. We just showed up, guys, for Xv2 15s. I've opened the box to get the order sheet out of there so that y'all don't see my dress. But I've not actually looked at the sub yet, so. This came from Down for Sound, so I got a Down for Sound sticker. Got a lanyard, voltmeter, which I've got a couple of these from there already. And then a Team Down for Sound shirt. 4X, because I'm fat. Let's pull this up. Nope. Maybe not. Alright, I guess I'll have to take it out of the box to get it out. Alright, so we've got that foam package slid out of there. I can already see the Sundown logo. Here we go. And there it is in all its glory. Now I'm going to get it taken out of this and we're going to compare it to the EVL, see how it looks. Y'all, I have seen these things plenty of times at shows, but it's different whenever you unbox it and it's yours. Man, these things are just gigantic. Got that spider on there. Not too stiff, so it's about as stiff as my broke-in EVLs are, so these should wang, man, because they got all kinds of motor force on them. So excited for these. But as you can see, the motor's way bigger than the Scar. Yeah. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, after putting both of these in here, I will not be mounting these vertically because they are a pain in the butt to get in here. They're heavy. Oh, well, the hard part is over. I just gotta screw them in and we'll get playing.
Take me up and show me the balcony, looking over the Hollywood Valley. I'll make a balloon pop. Over the Hollywood Valley, I'll make a balloon pop.
She ain't gonna lie. Is it louder?
I don't think so.
No? Well, I don't think they are, so I need some more power. I know that these take a little bit more power to get moving. But, I mean, y'all told me that it might not be louder. Some of y'all told me it might actually be quieter. But I think it's because they're fresh subs. I need more port area for them. And they can handle a lot more power. Because the EVLs were 1250 RMS. These are 1500 RMS, but I've seen people throw like 5K a piece to these things. And they just take it. So I guess that's what I need next is more power. But as of right now, it's about as loud as the EVLs were. So, but they still need to break in. So.